Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you're healthy. Hope you're inspired to launch your business or grow your existing business. Today, we're talking all about the retail section of your storefront. Okay. So if you have a storefront or you're looking to eventually get into a storefront, then this video is going to be very insightful for you. But before I dive in to this topic of conversation, if you guys are new, you don't know who I am and what we do, over the last decade, 11 years at this point to be specific, I myself have been in this juice bar business, running my own concepts, as well as having our team and myself help hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale successful juice concepts and smoothie concepts and acai bowl businesses and juice trucks and online businesses and everything. So all the information on this channel is coming from this wealth of experience. Early invitation to press the like button. It's good for the channel. It's good for you. Win-win. You want to do it, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Takes 3 seconds. Actually, even less, half a second. You're probably done already. And now we're going to dive in. So in most juice bars, there's usually enough space to have a section where you sell retail items. Okay. This is really important. It's probably more important than you realize. I'm going to point that out why, but there is an art to this from a design standpoint where you actually place your retail section that's going to incentivize more purchasing. You know, there's a whole science of retail, and you'll notice in grocery stores certain things people do and don't do in terms of what kinds of products they put, where they put the products. That's a whole science that we can get into. We're not going to go so deep into that, but I'm going to just talk about retail items and how to think about it, how to approach it. The first golden rule with retail items, ideally, in your design, you want to have your retail items and the high profitability, high demand retail items as close to the cash register as possible. That should be obvious, but maybe not. So people can make impulsive purchases when they see something. The other thing that you want to think about when it comes to retail and the importance of retail items is that if you can find the right retail items that are high demand, people will come to your juice bar just for those items. Think about this just as an example, because this could come up, and it has come up for many people. Oh, I'm having some issues with my digestion. I would love some digestive enzymes or something. Oh yeah, that juice bar, they sell supplements. Let me go in there and see. Now the customer's in the juice bar, they either just buy the thing that they came there for, or while they're in there, they think, you know what? Actually, let me grab a ginger shot because that's actually good for digestion. Then I started talking to the retail staff. Oh, they also said, hey, maybe I should do a juice cleanse. Now this person went from going and having the intention of walking into your store to spend and invest, $15, $20, $30 on a supplement. And then they ended up committing to a 7-day juice cleanse because they were in the right time, the right place, and they had the right conversation with the people in your environment. Now they've spent hundreds of dollars. You just made a lot more money because you had a gateway into having them come into your store. So in a lot of ways, the retail section of your store is this, okay? It is an opportunity for people to come into your store more often because you have a larger spectrum of offerings that for you costs you little to no money, right? It's going to cost money. Obviously, you have to make the investment in the inventory, but the shelf life generally is very, very long. And another thing to think about is that there are a whole spectrum of things that you could retail that you make in-house. I just made a video, maybe you've seen it. If not, check it out, about making products with your pulp. Okay, that's one section of things that you could make. You could make superfood powder blends. You could make, and just strictly even retail, repackage and relabel. They call it white labeling, right? But you could relabel even superfood items. You're buying certain items wholesale, you're getting better prices on them, whether it's certain nuts, goji berries, superfoods, whatever it is, spirulina, you could repackage it and then resell it in your store underneath your own brand. You want to make a little protein bar, you want to make trail mix, there's all kinds of stuff that you can make, that you can retail, that you'll have good margins on, that just create more opportunities for people to buy, and it's something that you're already doing anyway, right? To remix and match, make a trail mix takes 5 minutes. You want to make a granola, there's all kinds of things that you could make. If you need help with this aspect of your business, whether it's retailing things for a grab and go, because I'm a big fan of that, or retailing certain things for dry shelving that you need to produce and need to create, reach out to me personally, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. We'd be happy to discuss that. But I want to just open your mind to realize that having a robust retail section in your business is really helpful for getting people into your store more often and to having them spend more money. I always say there's only 3 ways you can make money in any business, okay? Number 1, to get new customers. Number 2, to have those customers come in more often. And number 3, to get those customers that are already existing coming in more often to spend more money. Those are the only 3 ways any business makes money. So this is another strategy to assist you in that. So I hope this has been helpful. If you haven't pressed the like button yet, you definitely want to do that. I know you do. I can feel it. So go ahead and do it. Questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. If you have a business, I'd be curious to find out, are there any things in particular that you have in your retail section that are selling really, really well? Put it in the comment box below. Then lastly, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. Really easy to find there. Exclusive giveaways, exclusive content. We've given away free business plans. We've given away marketing strategies, online courses, all of that. So you definitely want to follow us on Instagram. And then lastly, we have a podcast. It's on iTunes. It's on Spotify. It's called the Juice Bar Experts Podcast. You can find us there. Until next time, hope you guys are happy. Hope you're healthy. And I'll see you at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.